Hi there, Dodge owners. My name is Jordan, and with my wife Sheila, we figured out the electrical issue that was going on with this truck. So the first symptoms started where the truck would just all of a sudden shut off. All the electrical would go, and the key would get stuck in the ignition, and truck comes to a rolling stop. Now, typically, in about half an hour or so, the truck would start back up, and everything was okay. And then it progressively got worse to the point where every time it rained, truck wouldn't start. You'd have to lift the hood, open up the doors. We figured it was a moisture problem, and we chased down everything that we could think of. Now we've checked all the clips down by your left foot. There's a white plug under here and a black plug, and sometimes they get bumped and loose, and that can cause an issue. And then we moved on to obviously checking all the fuses and all the connections. Like every connection in this truck, took it apart, cleaned it, looked for any signs of corrosion or anything of that matter, and really didn't find anything. And then we thought, well, if the key is stuck in the ignition, then maybe it's a problem with the ignition. Now this is a wireless ignition module, right? And so we got another one of those, and it didn't do anything at all. And it got to the point where the truck didn't even know that the key was in there. Now we learned that there is an RF module that's located behind the back seat of the truck. And upon getting that out, found that the passive vent right here, all of the little fins that seal it are gone. So a lot of moisture was collecting up behind the back seat because this module sits right here. Now I had to replace the plug end on this. That's why you see the extra wires. But here is a shot of the actual plug. And you can see on the back where the power wire went in, it's heavily corroded. Right? And so yeah, basically all I did was I found another plug that was right and mapped it out so the wires were connected to the right wires on there, plugged it in, and truck runs fine now. So we've went through a lot of trouble, and this has been going on for what, about 2 months, and it's been sitting in the driveway. I've had to have it towed home a couple days ago because it just died on the road and wouldn't restart. And so yeah, I hope that saves people a lot of headaches. So if your truck starts doing crazy crap like that, have a look at this. Right in behind the back seat on the driver's side, right next to your passive vent.
What year is the truck?
Oh, sorry. The truck is a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 3.6 liter V8 or V6, sorry.